Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel Tutorials Hub Tally. This is Amitabh, your teacher. Please do comment in the comment section for better understanding that you guys are liking my videos or not. So today I'm going to tell you about a new topic. So let's start. In accounting terms, a voucher is a document containing the details of a financial transaction. For example, a purchase invoice, a sales receipt, a petty cash docket, a bank interest statement, and so on. For every such transaction made, a voucher is used to enter the details into the ledgers to update the financial position of the company. This feature of Tally.ERP9 will be used most often. Tally.ERP9 follows the golden rule of accounting. Debit under real accounts is what comes in. Under personal accounts, debit the receiver. Under nominal accounts, debit means expenses and losses. In real accounts, credit means what goes out. In personal accounts, credit means the giver. In nominal accounts, credit means incomes and gains. Now let's talk about accounting vouchers. Tally.ERP9 is pre-programmed with a variety of accounting vouchers, each designed to perform a different job. The standard accounting vouchers are contra voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher, journal voucher, sales voucher, credit note voucher, purchase voucher, debit note voucher, reversing journals, and memo voucher. Please note all the available vouchers in Tally.ERP9 except non-accounting vouchers can be marked optional if required. All the available vouchers in Tally.ERP9 can be marked post-dated if required. You can alter these vouchers to suit your company and also create new ones. Stay with me to understand the function of each voucher type. Contra voucher means to withdraw money from bank for petty cash. In voucher entry mode, press F12, that is contract configuration, and set the following to yes. Skip the date field in create mode. Use credit or debit instead of to or by during entry. Warn on negative cash balance. Show ledger current balances. Show balances as on voucher date. To create contra voucher, you need to go to the gateway of Tally. Select accounting vouchers. Then press F4 to do the required entries. Press Y or enter to accept the screen. Next is payment voucher. Means where a company settles a creditor's bill by check. To use a payment voucher to record an entry, you need to go to the gateway of Tally. Select accounting vouchers. Now press F5 to do the required entries. Press Y or enter to accept the screen. Payment in single entry mode. In voucher entry mode, use F12, that is payment configuration, and set use single entry mode for payment receipt contra to yes. The entry made in the single entry mode appears in the screen as shown. Press Y or enter to accept the screen. The advantage of a single entry mode is that you can select multiple debits or credits depending on the type of entry. Similarly, the transactions can be recorded in single entry mode even in receipt and contra vouchers. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.